Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make flan easy recipe step by step. Start by caramelizing sugar in a saucepan until amber, then pour into ramekins carefully to coat bottoms. Whisk eggs, condensed milk, evaporated milk, sugar, and vanilla until smooth and strain for texture. Pour custard into ramekins, cover with foil, and bake in a water bath until set but slightly wobbly. Gather all ingredients and organize them for a calm, steady process. Use 3 eggs, 1 14-ounce can sweetened condensed milk, and 1 12-ounce can evaporated milk, or adjust by ratio. Warm ingredients to avoid shock and overbeating the eggs. Strain the mixture to catch any chalazi or lumps for a silkier texture. Keep your water bath shallow, but steady to prevent boiling and curdling of the custard. Preheat oven and set up a water bath with hot water reaching halfway up ramekins. Cover ramekins with foil and bake gently until centers wobble but are set, then cool to room temperature before chilling. Chilling for at least 4 hours improves texture and flavor, so plan ahead. To serve, loosen edges with a knife, invert onto a plate, and let caramel drizzle. Garnish lightly if desired and serve chilled for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.